Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Teazers Pleasure Pump. So let's get started. So this is the Teazers Pleasure Pump itself in a bright pink colour. Now this really is a fun and stimulating pleasure pump to add to your collection. The pump increases the blood flow to your erogenous zones, for example the nipples or clitoris, and the tongue spoils your clitoris in exactly the perfect way through the 7 stimulation positions. It's very simple and easy to use using the control panel just here. This pleasure pump can also be used as a G-spot vibrator, which is here at the other end. It has 10 vibration modes and is ribbed for extra pleasure. The insertion depth is 10 centimeters and the maximum diameter is 4 centimeters. You can operate all the functions separately from one another as well. It also has another attachment as well, so you can interchange as you please. Now this one measures at 6 centimeters in diameter and this one measures at 8 centimeters in diameter. So let's turn on the pump. So simply press and hold down and the pump starts. Use this button here to release and use the button just here and you can see the tongue. Press on the same button and choose how intense you want to go. To turn off, press and hold down and it's off. For the G-spot vibrator, press and hold on the bottom button just here. And again, press on the same button to increase the vibration modes. To turn off, push and hold down and it's now off. To take off the attachment, simply twist like so. And using your new attachment, gently push in and twist and it's ready to go. They're very simple and interchangeable as well. Now, this vibrator and pleasure pump can be automatically recharged using the magnetic USB charging cable provided. Simply attach like so and it will charge for you. Simple, quick and easy. Now, when using this pleasure pump, we recommend to use a little bit of water-based lubricant just for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean after every use. And for this, we recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Teazers Pleasure Pump. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.